Hey, my YouTube friends, how's everybody doing today? Onto this video, we have here a 2018 Dodge Journey. It's a quick work. We're gonna be replacing a thermostat right here. It's on the side right here. There's a thermostat right there. First thing you're gonna make sure before you're gonna do that kind of work, make sure the engine is cold. You might get burned if the engine's hot when you're doing the work. And just open the cap, just to turn it and open this cap right here to release the pressure. And first thing also, we need to remove this cover right here. We're just gonna pop this on out, and so we have a better access on the thermostat right there. That's the thermostat. And yeah, we just need to remove this clip right here, and it only has 2 bolts right there. I could get it right there. There's one right here, and then there's one in the bottom part. It's a 10mm socket that you can use to remove that, and then remove the hose clamp right there. All right. To remove the hose clamp, I use this tool right here. But if you don't have that, you could just use any pliers to open up this hose clamp and just move it there. And then I use this plastic plier right here to clamp the hose, so I don't lose a lot of current. And yeah, we need to remove the hose so we could have better access also in the bottom bolt for the thermostat housing. All right. Engine spring. Take him off. Alright, I just used this combination for my tool to remove this bolt right there for the thermostat housing. Right there, and I go this way, that way, to loosen it, the bottom bolt. Alright, so once I loosen the bottom one, I just kind of use the longer socket right here. It's a quarter drive, so I could just hold it, this was not really that tight, right? That's the bolt. One. That's the upper one. So now you could remove the whole housing right here. And the gasket. And then you could just, clean up the surface. And then you could, install the new housing. So this is my new housing right here. My new thermostat, the whole kit. And install everything in reverse. Alright? Once you put everything back together, the hose, the thermostat and all that, your coolant, add your coolant, and run your engine. And yeah, the way you did it, just this part right here, you just open it a little bit and see, you can see right now you have some air right there. Then you can close it once there's no more air coming out. All right, and then you can put your cover back and all that. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't so. It will really help my channel. All right, thank you, and have a nice day.